Hey everyone, I'm an idiot. This is my latest stupid thing that I've done. Bought this rusted out Wii. I guess it was in somebody's basement or something. It was so rusted that I had to cut the screws out. Let's see. Check it out. I mean, you can't, I'm not gonna try to scrub the rust off of it, but it's pretty bad. Here, let me show you this. This is what I had to cut, mostly. With the Dremel tool, cut those screws out of there. 'Cause that's how rusty it was. Yeah. Here's a screw the only screw I managed to get out of there. Anyway, I'm going to show you how it's working. I'm going to shut this off and plug it in and show you how it's working or actually not working, and then I'm going to show you how I plan to fix it. I'm going to try to replace that one with one that I know works over here, and we'll see what happens. But first I'll show you how this doesn't work. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Turn this down. Alright. So if I wanted to, let's say, go here. As soon as it tries to connect to the internet, it goes out, I think. Although I've tested it. Alright, and then I know there's no DVD, there's no CD in there, but it doesn't matter. That happens whether it's in there or not, whether the CD thing is working or not. It just happens, and then you're just stuck on this. So let's see. Turn this off. Back on. And it does the same with if I do try to play a game with it. It does that same thing. Now, obviously, there's no CD in this. Let me show you that. There's no CD in this. CD's over here, and I have a working CD here, but it doesn't matter. They both work. Because I have a working Wii that I tested it all out on. And it's not the CD. It's something else. And I'm thinking it's the Wi-Fi thing, even though if I go into options and test the connection works fine. So, here, let's see. I go here, and this is when I'm trying to hack it, but regardless of whether you're trying to hack it or not, this is what's going to happen when you try to get online to do something. Now again, I've tested the connection, I can show you that. This is going to shut off. Sometimes it doesn't even make it this far. And it goes black. Now sometimes it goes black before that, sometimes it doesn't go black as quickly. And so I am going to swap out the Wi-Fi with one that I know works over here. Take out this one, put it in the other one, and we'll see what happens. So I'll let you know. Alright, so here it is. I swapped it. That's the old one and the new one. And new, but no working one. Let's see what happens here. Excuse me. Now, I hope this works. If it doesn't work, then maybe somebody can help me to understand in which particular way I'm an idiot this time. Because I would really like to figure this out. Oh man, if this works, I'll be so stoked. Yeah. Okay. I've been waiting all day so I could record this. So I was going to do this a long time ago. Alright. Okay, no black screen. Oh man, damn. Alright, well I don't know what's wrong with it then. I guess I have to keep researching. I looked at everything. I've already looked everywhere. This is why I'm making this video in hopes that somebody will help me to understand what is going on here. But until then, I guess I'll put back together this mess. This is a good one, and then I'll put all this other stuff to the side. I cannot figure out what is wrong with this. And I know that it works in this, that one over there works. Just like that. So this one should work without the CD drive in it. I don't know. Alright, well, thanks guys. Please comment if you know any answers. Okay, bye.